Often when we talk about the people having a warrior spirit, we think of an ancient people, an ancient civilization. But the Ossetians have many modern examples, and one example I want to give is of a young man who gave everything for Ossetia. He was Grishik Sanakоеве. At just 18, Grishik was beginning the struggle of planning out his life. However, as he then went on to write in his diary, he had to put these plans on hold because a different struggle called for him. The struggle for the liberation of Ossetia. To help his country, which was at war, Grishik decided to join the riot police just after he turned 18. However, his time there would not last long. On June the 7th, 1992, the Georgian forces tried to break into Skinval, and Grishik, along with 16 other defenders of the city, decided they were not going down without a fight. Grishik only had one gun for the battle. For 12 minutes, he held off the Georgians who were rapidly surrounding him. He was offered surrender. He was offered, if you come with us, we'll exchange you as a prisoner of war. He refused every single offer that the Georgians threw at him, and sadly, he was captured after they surrounded his position. For hours, young Grishik was tortured by the Georgians, and with his last breath, he yelled, "I am an Ossetian," and then at just 18, his life was taken by the Georgians. 20 years later in a book, his old school teacher, Joseph, described him as a sweet and affectionate child when she knew him, and said he had an unfair responsibility on his young shoulders. This did not matter to the young man. For his bravery and sacrifice at such a young age, Grishik was posthumously awarded the Order of Whatsamung, which is the highest award you can get in South Ossetia. He is now buried in the infamous yard of School Number 5 in South Ossetia, and has a boarding school named after him. He is dead, but his spirit lives on forever in Ossetia.